What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna be installing a new center console. Well, not new, but new to me. Yeah, I got a center console for the truck because right now it has a jump seat, and I don't like the jump seat. I'd rather have a center console with like the cup holders right there, so I could rest my arm. The jump seat is like there's no use for it. Like I don't have anybody in the middle or anything. But anyways, we're gonna be installing that center console. We're gonna be taking it apart because it is a different color. The color's not gonna match, but it's gonna be close to the color. I don't mind having like a little two-tone color for the interior. But yeah, guys, we're gonna take it all apart and paint it. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So I got the center console right here. We're gonna take it apart. It's only a few screws. It's these right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. All right, guys. So I got the lid off. It's gonna be 8 screws, and then this comes right off the plastic piece. I took it off so whenever I paint it, it looks good. And now to remove this, all you gotta do is just pull it from each corner. There's just tabs. It only has 4 tabs on each corner. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'll pop right off. And also to remove this black piece, it's only clips. 1, 2. So you unclip those 2, pop it off, and this should come right off. Guys, and to remove this black piece, there's 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then underneath this black plastic, there's another 4 screws. Once you take off those 9 bolts or screws, they should pop right off. And then to remove this back piece, there's 1 screw right here, right there. Actually, there's 2 screws. So 1 and 2. And then 4 right here. Once you get those 2 screws off, it'll come right off. You just gotta disconnect these wires for the heater and for the AC and all that. And once you got this off, to pop this out, go through the back and pop it out, and then it should pop right out like that. And then to remove these cup holders, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them. There's a couple screws right there, and the lid should come right off. To remove this middle plastic, all you gotta do is just pop it up. It's just clips. There you go. Got that off. Put it off to the side. And then to take off this plastic, I was already taking it apart. There's a couple screws. There's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and then that should be the last one. Yeah, that should be the last one, and it should pop right off. Same thing goes for the other side. So I got the center console all apart. I got all the pieces right here. So now that we got it all apart, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store and go get some paint for the plastics. Alright, guys, so I came to O'Reilly's. I came to pick up this vinyl and fabric. It's a charcoal gray. I know it's not gonna match. It's gonna be close, but I don't mind having like a 2-tone interior. So from this to the bottom is gonna be this color. But let's see how it turned out. So I started painting the parts. So far it's looking good. I'm not gonna show the painting process because who wants to see that? I know I don't. That shit's boring. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint all the plastics, and I'll catch you guys when it's all back together. I got it all put together and painted. I like how it came out, to be honest. Check out the inside. Got the lid as well. I also got this back here. You open it up. Everything's painted. I took every single little piece apart. Got every little crack, everything. Came out good. So right now, I got the last piece of the puzzle right here. I just need the glove box. I'm painting it right here right now. So as soon as it's finished drying, I'm gonna go ahead and try to slap it on. But as you can see, it's already getting dark. So it's already the next day. So last night I got the center console finished and painted. I got it all back together. So right now I'm gonna be unbolting the seats from the inside of the truck because I'm gonna be vacuuming the inside because it's really dirty from under the seats. And I already got them unbolted down. This is how I've been driving for the past couple weeks without a seat in the middle or center console, whatever you want to say. But this, I got this taken apart right now. That, I don't know what that is. That's from the previous owner. It looks like coffee. I don't know, chocolate milk. I don't fucking know. But I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the whole truck, take out the seats, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
No compito con nadie, compito conmigo mismo. Los golpes de la vida y miedos me hicieron arisco. Texas es el estado y Houston es donde radico. Andamos trabajando, traigo la corta a un ladito. En una Silverado voy por el 59. No se mira para adentro, los vidrios oscuros tienen. Si hablamos de amistades, son uno de los más fieles. Por eso me respetan, por ser gente con la gente.
Alright guys, so I got the center console in. I got the cigarette lighters working, and I also got this one connected to the one over here in the back, so whenever I have passengers in the back, they can charge their phones and everything. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put the seats back in so I can finish up. So I got it fully installed, got it vacuumed and everything. So I got the charger over here in the back, so whenever someone wants to use it, it's working. Honestly, it looks way better. It looks way better than having that jump seat in the front. But let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna show you guys in the night how it looks in the night with the lights on. I like how it looks. It gives you a different vibe.
I don't put them down guns up, fuck that. Say big brother, bring on guns out. Wanna smoke.